Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down here with my main man, Brian, Bill Cole Honda Nissan, and we got a suite right here, the Nissan Pro 4X, and I can't even believe I remember that, but I'll tell you something real quick. I drove it from at the other end of the lot up here and got a crick in my neck. I was going so fast. This bad boy's got some power behind it.
Yeah, that's at 310 horsepower.
310 horsepower in a truck like that.
You can tow 6,200 pounds with this thing.
So if a man had a bass boat or a pontoon boat or a houseboat, I guess he could pull it behind this thing, couldn't he?
Absolutely could. Yeah, you got trailer sway control and all that.
What's this color called right here? It's a neat color.
Nissan calls this Boulder Gray.
Yeah.
And it's been one of the more popular colors here recently.
Oh, I would imagine. Check this interior out real quick. I like the cool stitching right there.
Yeah, that's exclusive to the Pro 4X Frontier.
Yeah.
That orange trim and the stitching there. You can see the Pro 4X on the embroidery there too.
Absolutely. What kind of gas mileage this thing got with a bigger engine, of course?
Yeah, but it's right around 19 on the average.
Still not bad at all.
No, not for what you get.
Heck no. Hey, you got that right. You can't beat a Nissan Pro 4X. Come on down here and buy it. Like I always say, go ahead, go shopping. There's all kind of places you can go look around. You're going to buy this vehicle from these dealerships right here, Bill Cole Honda Nissan. Brian, thank you so much.
It's good to see you, Cletus.
Y'all come on down. This man will hook you up. See you.